Welcome back to Tap and Tear. We're opening up another pack of Bloomburrow. Let's see what we find.